In this video, we're going to show how we can integrate the fonts window with our widgets. If we want our user to be able to select fonts to style our widget, we need to integrate this window so that the widget knows about the selection in the fonts window. And the EverWeb Widget API makes that very easy. Right now, as we change fonts, you can see that nothing happens with our widget. So we're going to go back to our widget editor and we're going to make some adjustments so that our font window will work with our widget. So first, we're going to click Widget Settings, and we're going to go to our CSS code. And from our CSS code here that modifies our link, all we have to do is include some special internal variables. So to do that, we are going to type font family, and we're going to reference an internal variable. To reference the internal variables for fonts, we have to use the percent sign, and then font family CSS. This special variable will actually export all of our all, all of our font data as CSS code. So if we add this, save our widget, go back to EverWeb, and we open up our fonts window, as we change the font, you'll see that the font changes. But you'll see that as we change our font size, nothing is changing. So we need to integrate the font size. To do that, we'll go back to our widget editor, open up the CSS window, and we'll type in our font size CSS, and we'll use another special internal variable with our percentage sign called font size. Since this variable will only output the actual number, we're going to have to type in px for pixels so that the CSS works properly. We'll click OK, we'll save our widget, and when we return to EverWeb and adjust our page, we can now click and adjust our font size accordingly.